Hello everyone, welcome to Treflo Publisher. So in this video I would like to show you the 3-in-1 school management system that we have. This one is going to help you mark the attendance of your students, is going to help you record the financial records of how payments are made in the school, and then the automated results is also there, meaning that the 3-in-1 school management system is having the attendance features, the school fees ledger, and also the automated broadsheet and report sheet. Now let me first of all show you the report sheet template. This is the report sheet template. Can you see? This is the report sheet template. If I change this student to another student, can you see the information of that student will also pop up for the second student? But if I'm dealing with second term, I'll change the term in this place. Is that okay? So let me show you also the bill and receipt template. This is the school bill up here, and the receipt bearing the details of how payments are made is downward. Can you see that? So this is the amount paid, total amount to be paid, the installments made, maybe first installment, second installment, and third, and then the information, the full information about the type of payment. Let me change this one to first term, so that if it is first term bill you want to see and everything, you will see it. And then you can also change the admission number of the students in this place. Also we have the crèche broadsheet, where you grade their skills, their ability, instead of the normal conventional subject we always do, where you grade them. All you have to do is give them mark through the tick. Let me show you the report sheet how it looks like for crèche, specifically for crèche. So all you have to do is grade them. Can they identify number? Can they do this? Can they do that? That's what you grade for crèche. If you don't want to use the conventional report sheet that we always use, this particular one, if you don't want to use it for crèche, there's another one you can use for crèche. And then where do you enter the information of your student that got it automated like this? First of all, you enter the details of your students using the data entry form. We have given room for A and B if your school is having A and B. All right, so you use the data entry form to enter the information of your student, and it will automatically go into the student's database. So when the information goes into the student's database, from there it will go into the second student's database, which is student database 2. So this is where all the information of your students are recorded and automated from. Now the name, admission number, class teacher, gender, and session has been automated from the first student's database. Now coming to this place, all you have to do is enter the name of your class, your head teacher here, enter the name of your principal here, and from this side you have the attendance register, where you mark the attendance of your student Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. P for present and A for absent. And when you have marked the attendance for that week, I will advise you do it weekly. When you mark the attendance for that week, you click on save attendance. It will automatically save the attendance of the student per week, under week 1, week 2 to week 13, and then the total will automatically be calculated for you. Immediately after the attendance register part, still on that same sheet, we have the school fees ledger, where the information about the fees that are meant to be paid and the ones that are paid. This part, you enter all the fees that are meant to be paid by the students, and this part you record how payments are being made. We have given room for first installment, second installment, and third installment. Okay, a student is taking 3 rows, meaning that first row for first term, second row for second term, and third row for third term. So you enter it, and then you can generate receipt number, and then bring the receipt number, copy it here, so that it can appear on that receipt template I showed you earlier. Here you enter the information of the bursar of the school, because it's going to appear also on the template. Immediately after the school fees ledger, we have the result ledger. The subject has been automated coming from the settings sheet where we enter the subject. The subject will automatically come into this place from there, and you enter everything about the result of the student. Some parts are automated. The scores, you will have to fill it yourself. Some other parts, they are already automated, like the class size and everything, you put it by yourself. The class teachers comment, the head teachers comment, and everything, you put it by yourself. And then for the affective and psychomotor domain, all you have to do is copy any of these ticks here and put it there for excellent, good, fair, and poor for each of these skills. And then when you are done with all of that, you can now go back to the results template I showed you earlier to check the result of each student. You can print as hard copy, and you can save as PDF. This is where you enter the subjects of your students. Okay, so see you in my DM. Let us get started.